Fishing lines are not cheap and can be one of the most consumable items that impact our wallet. If you're an angler who frequently gets your line wet, I believe you know what I mean. In this video, I will share with you an economical option that I've been using for many years. Hello, this is Angler Waki, a Japanese fishing enthusiast based in the United States. Today, I want to share with you a cool idea I've been practicing for years. It's not a secret hack at all, but I'm not sure how many of you do this. If you haven't tried this yet, I hope this video could be helpful for you. Okay, let's think about this. Typically, when we use a fishing reel, only about 20% to 50% of the line is actually thrown in the water. In fishing like deep sea jigging or surf casting, more of the line might end up in the water. But for bass fishing and bankshore lure fishing, a significant portion of the line remains spooled on the reel and stays dry. Yeah, so for my fishing style, when I spool hundreds yards of line on my light tackle setup, I am fairly certain that less than 50 yards ever get wet. This means only half of the line is wearing out, while the rest remains in good condition on the spool. So then, you might guess what I'm about to suggest. Why not reverse spool the line? Yes, that's the main topic of this video. Now, let's see how to reverse spool the used line. If we have two reels of the same size, we could simply reel the line from one reel to another. But that's not quite what I'm going to discuss here. Here's my method. First, prepare empty line spools. 2 spools are needed. Let's call it line spool A. Spool the line from the reel onto line spool A. Let me use a very useful tool, high-speed recycler by a Japanese company, Daiichi Seiko. Now, line spool A has a good condition line on top of the damaged line. Next, take another empty line spool. Let's call this line spool B. Transfer the line from spool A to spool B. Using a tool like high-speed recycler, we can quickly make this. Okay, great. Now, line spool B has the damaged condition line on top of the fine condition line. It's reversed. Finally, it's time to spool the line back onto the reel from line spool B. Now the reel looks full with a fine condition line. Yes, this way we can use a brand new fishing line twice. What an economical option this is! Recycling the fishing line cleverly sounds cool, right? This practice can be used when we spool a backing line. This is a great hack for that purpose. Maybe shortly in the future video, I'll show you how to do it. Stay tuned! Let's recap. First, transfer the line from the reel to spool A. Then transfer from spool A to spool B. Now grab the reel and spool the line from spool B. That's it! It's a bit of a time-consuming process, but it's worth doing. Fishing lines are essential tools for us. Even if we use high-end pricey reels, they won't be as valuable with poor line conditions. However, quality lines are not cheap. So, I find this practice really helpful for saving money on fishing gear. Again, this is not a secret. Many of you may already be doing this. But if you haven't tried this yet, I highly recommend giving it a go. Thank you for watching! If you find this video informative, please give me a big thumbs up! Don't forget to share this video with your friends and fishing communities. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye!